Work from home jobs. In this video, I'm about to show you multiple work from home jobs that you can apply for right now today. If you're interested in working from home remotely, then this is your chance because I'm about to show you multiple and dozens of jobs that you can apply for. Alright, so for this, you want to go to remote.co. Once you're on the website, you can click on remote jobs in the top right corner, or you can click on find remote jobs right here. Once you do that, that will bring you over to this page where you can find all of these jobs. Now, I wasn't lying when I said there were multiple jobs available. So we've got accounting jobs, we've got customer service jobs, we've got online data entry jobs, we've got remote design jobs, developer jobs, editing jobs, healthcare jobs, recruiter jobs, and you can just keep scrolling down and you'll find all of these jobs. So if you go back to the top, what I recommend doing is filtering this on what you would like to do. Let's say that you want to do a virtual assistant remote job. You would click right there. If you then scroll down, you can find all of these virtual assistant remote jobs. So this is entry level, freelance, and then this one is also entry level. So if you click on it, you'll see all of the details. If you then scroll down, you'll pretty much see the job description. And then if you scroll down, you also see the qualifications and requirements. You can then apply for the job right there, and you can then go ahead and apply. If you scroll down, you'll pretty much find all stuff needed. And this is where you can apply. So you can actually apply for a job at Twitter, which is pretty cool. Now, if you go back, you can find all of these remote jobs that you can then apply for. So if you go back, you find all of these. Let's say you want to do a design job, you click right there. You then scroll down and you'll find all of these. Let's say that you want to go with this one. You simply click on it, you scroll down, you'll see all of the requirements. You can then also apply right there. So that's how you can find remote work from home jobs on this website, remote.co. It's an amazing website with a lot of different categories that you can apply for, which is great. And yeah, that's pretty much where you can find a remote job. So this is the website I recommend using. I'm not getting sponsored or whatever, not getting paid, but this is the website that's offering a lot of jobs. Now, if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.